Ninja's Kitchen family. I hope all of you are doing great. Today we have a treat for you. Yes, fish pepper soup. And we are having it with some jasmine rice. So guys, let's get right into it because we just have a very brief minute here to get this done. So what you see me doing right away is I am crushing the ginger and mixed peppercorn because I want some natural flavor infused, embedded into this fish pepper soup. I have one medium-sized trout fish that I'm going to be using, some sweet tomatoes, one ball of onions, and one chicken bouillon. So guys, I'm adding 3 cups of water, and you can add up to 4 cups of water. Okay, so it depends on the consistency of how you want the pepper soup to be. So here I'm just gonna blend all of that fresh ingredients together and pour it into the pot that already have my fish in it. And now I will be adding my crushed ginger and peppercorn into that mixture. Cover it and let that boil for about 5 minutes, and then I will now add all my aromatic and additional seasoning. I have some basil, some Himalayan sea salt that goes right in. I have seafood seasoning, 1 teaspoon that goes in, some minced garlic and pepper soup mixture. All of that goes in, and lastly will be my nutmeg. And the nutmeg goes in. Yeah, guys, voila, voila, voila. And the aroma from this concoction is just so intoxicating. You know what, guys, I was hooking this up in the kitchen, and my hubby came down to say, whoa, what are you cooking in the kitchen? Because it was that intensified. And when you are stirring it, guys, just move it gently because the fish is very delicate and can easily just break into pieces. So all you are really doing is just moving it just a little bit sideways, so that all of that aromatics and herbs can get into the water and boil into that fish. Now I'm going to add on some shrimp powder. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of a shrimp powder seasoning into that mixture, and I needed to give it a little bit of color because I didn't use bell pepper, so I'm going to be using the chili powder. So I have 1 teaspoon of chili powder in there so that it can give it that the color that I am looking forward to have with it. So I'm gonna give that a little bit of stir so that it's not just sitting on the fish, but it gets into the stock of the fish so that everything can just marinate together and infuse into the tissues of that fish. So I cover that up and give it a boil for additional 15 minutes top. Because it is fish, you don't need to cook it that too long. 15 minutes, and that is all you need. This is it, guys. Always give your food a taste, okay? So I am doing my final tasting here to see if I need to adjust anything else. But guys, it is just perfection. So guys, all done. At this point, I just want to introduce some fresh aromatics into it. So I'm going to be chopping up some parsley and just drop that into that fish. Voila, it is all done. Guys, OMG, I just can't wait to have a piece of this meal. And it was so quick, in less than 30 minutes, guys. In less than 30 minutes. It is something fresh, delicious, healthy. Oh, it's like tropical. Look at that. Look at that fish pepper soup sauce. Guys, if you like what you see and you enjoyed watching this video, please do not leave without hitting that like button. Hit it. Don't be silent no more. I know I have a whole lot of you on this channel, and I would like to get some feedback from you guys, because I value your comments, I value your feedback. So drop me a word or two. Let me hear what you're thinking. Are you being satisfied? Are you enjoying this video? That will really mean a lot to me, guys. Drop me a word. Let's talk, let's communicate, let's connect. So guys, this dish was just quick, and it was just what the doctor orders for, because especially when the day is cold like this, having this pepper soup with something light was just the medicine that was needed. Okay guys, I can't say more about this soup. You just need to hook it up for yourself and try it out. In this case, I use trout. I have used bluefish in the past. I have used codfish in the past. So it doesn't matter, whatever fish you love. You can also use red snapper, even rockfish. Just go for it, and you will be amazed of the outcome. Quite easy. And look at the fish, so flaky, delicious. And when you put it in your mouth, This is delicious. It's quite tasteful. Very tasteful. This pepper soup was certainly mouth-watering and finger-licking. Oh, mwah. Yes. So guys, I hope you can quickly hook up this for yourself. As I said, in less than 10-30 minutes, your meal will be ready. Thank you all for cooking with me, and welcome to all my first-time viewers, my first-time followers and subscribers. Thank you so much. And to my ardent followers, oh, much love. And guys, if you have not subscribed yet, please do so. Subscribe. Hit that like button, because there is much more from Mama Ninja's Kitchen, a place where there is everyday love and amazing adventure. Until our next episode, thank you, Obulu, Okimbwefo, bye-bye.